What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 6 animal pattern. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, on the marking area here, the eyelets isn't placed right in the middle, isn't centered. You can see this one, the holes is slightly come up, and another sample can see is very clear. The holes here isn't centered, slightly come up here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, it's pretty easy. On the authentic one, you can see the line. I put a line on it so you can easily understand. So between the upper line here and the bottom and the midsole here, this will be connect like the authentic one here, whereas on the fake one it doesn't connect. It's slightly to the left, it's a little bit off. Another sample again, this one is a little bit off also, slightly to the left. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the fake ones, there is a lot more opening between the midsole and the outsole. There is a white glue stain also on top of the midsole here. This one also is pretty clear, pretty easy to spot. There's a white glue stain, it's looking so dirty. And this one, another sample again, it's looking very dirty. This one also. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.